Hello guys, Tiger Downpour here, and today I'm doing a review on my vintage 2000 original Techno robotic puppy. Got him at a yard sale for just about 50 cents. Very cool, and it's very nice. It was a lot worse for 50 cents, but they only there's no issues except just the ear has been broke off, but that's not really that much of an issue, really. But anyways, it still works and everything. It's the very first Techno that ever came out. This is the original 2000s version. The first Techno that ever come out, the original. But anyways, really nice. But anyways, I'm gonna turn it on and I'll demonstrate. He walks fast too. Techno. Come here, Techno. Come here, Techno. Techno, walk. Techno, walk. Sometimes he has difficult. Oh, there he goes. Hold on. Let me set mode. Techno, walk. Techno, walk. Press his nose right here and he'll sniff. You pat him on, you push this button on his head, and he pants kind of. Oh, Techno, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, you press this right here, and he pants like this. And you hold this down, you hold the mode button down for 3 seconds, he can actually talk. Like, watch this. If you press the nose and the mode button for 3 seconds at the same time, he'll say thanks, something like that, like this. Wait, hold on. Wait. Okay. Techno. Oh, shh. Techno. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I guess. There you go. And then you do this and he laughs. It's pretty funny. But anyways, that's my Techno that I got at the yard sale. He's really cool. Except he walks whenever he wants. Except he has basically almost has a mind of its own. He walks uncontrollably sometimes. But anyways, yeah. Sadly, I don't have the bone or the ball for his mouth right here that you press up against, because of course some pieces were missing when I bought him. But other than that, he is in very good condition, and the tail still wags.